Hello everyone, so today I am doing a makeup look on this look that you see right here. This look is using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. It's a really fresh, pretty look, and yes, I am wearing a full face of makeup, but it is looking a lot more natural than that, so yeah. All of the products that I use in this video are cruelty-free and will be listed in the description, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload once a week now, and if you want to be notified as soon as I upload, then hit the notification bell. And if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already have one eye done, just to shorten this tutorial, and we're going to go in with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and take the shade Dusty Rose. And we're going to take this on a big fluffy brush and just buff this all over that crease. This is going to be the only shade that we use in the crease, so you want to make sure that the shade is really, really blended out. So I'm really going to take my time just building up this color little by little and blending it very, very well. We're doing this because usually we would add more shadows into the crease, which would kind of blend it out for us, but because we're not doing that, we want to really take our time and buff it out, especially around the outer part of the crease, and highlighting that brow will also help. Then we're going to mix bronze and rose pink. I love these two on their own, but I also love them mixed together. And putting them together just makes this really pretty rosy pink, bronzy rose gold shade that is absolutely beautiful, and it really makes your eyes like sparkle. I don't know, it's just so beautiful. So we're going to be taking this just on that eyelid shade and then highlighting the brow with tempera, which is the matte bone kind of color, and this is going to help highlight the brow, and it's also going to help blend out that crease shade that we used. Then we're going to be going in with the black liquid liner from the brand e.l.f., and we are going to be starting in the center of our eye, working our way outwards and drawing our wing. And then we're just going to connect the wing to that part of the center line. I always like to do my eyeliner like this, and then once we have that wing filled in, then we're going to connect it to the inner corner of the eye and just go back in and touch up where it may need to be darker. And then we're going to come back with mascara and our brows done, and we're going to move on to the rest of the makeup. So we're going to go back in with Dusty Rose and just blend this along that lower lash line. I am not going to take it and drag it down too far, but I am going to make sure that that line is really, really blended out, just because sometimes from a distance, if you use a shade like this really, really far down on the lower lash line, it can make your eyes look kind of sick and irritated, which you don't want. And then at a very unflattering angle, we're going to put the Covergirl Clump Crusher on the lower lashes, and then bronze the face with the Too Faced Sweet Tea Bronzer. And when I get to the forehead, I like to pat the bronzer on because it'll still display the color, but it blends it out much lighter and much more in a natural way, so then you don't look like you have a really, really bronzed forehead. It just adds a really beautiful subtle glow. Then using the Papa Don't Peach blush from Too Faced, it smells so good. You have to smell it every single time. It's just amazing. And we're going to be putting this blush on the apples of our cheeks and working our way backwards. I like this blush because it minimizes the amount of highlight I might want to put on that day because it is a very luminous blush. But speaking of highlight, of course we're going in with Summer from Anastasia. This is the Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and we're going to be highlighting the tops of the cheekbones just a little bit, just to add a slight glow. And then we're also going to be putting this on the tip of our nose, down the bridge, and on the Cupid's bow. I never forget the Cupid's bow because it really makes your lips stand out, especially when you put on your lipstick. And then we're going to be mixing the Too Faced Matte Peach lipsticks. I'm using Everything is Peachy on the bottom lip, just dabbing it on. And I like doing this because this color is really, really intense. And then to tone it down, we're going to be using Dollface on the top of our lip just to make it a little bit more of like a nude coral shade. But I felt like I wanted a little bit more pink, just a little bit. So I decided to go in with NYX Pin Up Pout lipstick in the shade Darling to add a little bit of pink. I did this just on the center of our lips so we could have a corally, nude, peachy, pinky lip. And that is the makeup complete. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and that you try it for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!